Looking for a cartridge and headshell combo that delivers crisp, balanced sound without the fuss? The Audio-Technica AT-VM95EN might just be what your turntable needs. Designed for half-inch mount setups, this kit promises excellent channel separation and low distortion, so your vinyl collection sounds better than ever. When I swapped out my old, no-name cartridge on a Yamaha YP-B2 for the AT-VM95EN, the difference was immediate. The bass tightened up noticeably, giving tracks a punchier foundation, while the mids and highs became clearer and more pleasant to the ear. It's not just about sound quality. The build feels solid, too, with a low-resonance polymer housing that minimizes unwanted vibrations. Plus, the aluminum cantilever and nude elliptical stylus ensure precise tracking across the frequency range of 20 to 23,000 Hz. What really sets this combo apart is the ease of installation. Thanks to threaded inserts in the cartridge body, mounting it to the headshell requires only 2 screws, no nuts or complicated hardware needed. This design choice saves time and reduces setup errors, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned vinyl enthusiasts. Compatible with any AT-VM95 replacement stylus, it's also a flexible option that keeps your setup future-proof. If you're weighing options like Ortofon or Nagaoka but want solid performance without breaking the bank, this Audio-Technica combo offers a compelling balance of quality and value. The channel separation rating of 22 decibels at 1 kHz means you get clear stereo imaging, while the vertical tracking force range of 1.8 to 2 grams, 2.0 grams standard, ensures smooth playback with minimal wear on your records. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your vinyl experience with confidence. Ready to hear your records in a whole new light? The Audio-Technica AT-VM95EN headshell and cartridge combo kit delivers what you need: sharp, detailed sound and a straightforward setup. Try it when you're ready to elevate your turntable's performance without hassle or guesswork.